Have you seen the beer jacket trending everywhere online and wondered if it's actually real or just another viral gimmick? We dug deep into everything about this so-called jacket for beer lovers, and the findings are intriguing. First off, every image and video circulating looks suspiciously AI-generated. The textures, the lighting, even the models have that uncanny computer-generated quality that just doesn't feel authentic. Looking further, the beer jacket shows up on design and concept websites, but there's no record of it being sold anywhere, and certainly no official store or purchase link. Marketing language around it is full of buzzwords like liquid aesthetics and wearable storytelling, which sounds impressive at first, but reveals nothing about actual materials, sizing, or manufacturing. Adding to the mystery, there are 0 verified customer reviews, no unboxing videos, no social proof, no one showing a real product in hand. We even checked social media thoroughly, and while it's everywhere visually, nobody seems to have received it or actually used it, which raises a lot of questions about its legitimacy. While the idea of a beer-themed jacket is fun, the evidence points strongly to it being more of a digital concept than a real, purchasable product. If you were thinking about grabbing one, the safest conclusion is that there's no confirmation that this exists in the real world yet, and everything online is based on hype and AI visuals. Whether it eventually becomes a real item or just stays as a viral concept, for now, it's important to approach it skeptically and understand that all the flashy videos and images are not proof of a product you can actually buy or wear.